So, hello everybody. Nice to have you here. Welcome to our oil session with me, with Elif Kundakci. Getting ready now in 3 minutes for the oil inventories release now on weekly base. Hello, Michael. Nice to have you here. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your first session today. Hello, Mary. Nice to have you here as well. We made some chings today. Some money. Some small constant moves. Small nice profits so far. That's what we want. And now we will get even more hopefully during the oil inventory. So what is the market saying? Let's have a short look. We have another 2 minutes to go for the oil inventory. So I see that analysts expect a drop of around 3 million barrels in crude oil supply. So a drop means that the price will rise. This is what we expect, and it would be the second time in a row that we would see a decline on oil inventories. And we have another 1 minute to go. Let's go directly to forexlife.com. You can find a very nice economic calendar on forexlife.com, and there we will follow now the result. Here we go, another 1 minute, and we expect a drop of 2 million. A drop of 2 million barrels of oil is expected to have a huge impact. That's why we go in general. For the last hour, we had a drop and a catchback. It will be okay. Let me see here. This is 1 hour. Let's go here again. We check always also USA 100 and USA 30 since we have still some positions open. Let's see, and now go back to Brent oil. There we go. The result is not out yet, and still we see a tension. Let's put it on the 5 minutes chart. We see a tension. The result is not out yet. Why it's not out yet? We see a drop. Guys, I'm selling Brent oil and oil. Just sold oil and Brent oil, although the results are not updated. I don't know why, but come on. Now there we go. It was just now updated. Expected were a drop of 3 million barrels, and the actual result is 1.2 million barrels. So it's a negative result, which means I'm expecting the price now to drop even more. Let's go now and take some. Let's take profits. This is our UK oil. On UK oil, I will put my take profit at 60.300. 60.300 is my take profit here. 60.300 on Brent oil, and on oil I'm thinking now to short again oil. Here we go. I just short again oil, and my take profit on this oil position will be at, the buyers are there. They expect all the price to drop, and they push the price to go up. That's not good. So 51.700. I will put my take profit at 51.700. Here we go. This is the first take profit. Also here I will put it at 51.700 is my take profit also for the first trade I put. I have 2 positions open on oil and 1 position on Brent oil. On oil, on the 1 position, we are already making $500 on the Brent oil position. I'm looking forward to enter another position. Here we go. I'm selling now again Brent oil. Just sold again, although the entry levels are very close to each other. Okay, I go again. 60.300 is my take profit also for this position. So I have 2 positions open on Brent oil and 2 positions open on oil, and I have a take profit for both at the same level, guys. I have a take profit for both at the same level. So come on, I want a drop and we will get there. I want a bit more drops to make some nice movements. We are on the 5 minutes chart. Since 5 minutes the results are out, and now we started to get some movement in. On oil we are making now 500. You see how fast it goes. You see how fast it goes. Michael, you see how fast it goes. Let me see who's with us now in the afternoon. I saw a lot of new names. Alfonso, not Alfonso. Sorry, Andy. Adolfo, hello. Nice to have you here. Alex, Ivana, Jeff, Jenna, Laura, Malcolm. Hello, Malcolm. Barry just joined us. Hello, Barry. Nice to have you here. Michael, Philip, Patrick, Rachel, and Roberto. Nice to have you guys here. Looking forward to make some profits. Yes, Michael, it goes quite quick, and if you are on the wrong side of the market, it can be devastating for you. But I know the market will drop. We just need a bit more patience. As we could see, once the market start to get into the flow, the profits are running. You just need to get into the flow. And I think I will close my first position on oil. Let me see. We are making $600 right now, $700. Now the flow started. $800, guys. We are making $800 on oil. $800 on oil. Our take profit is at, come on, $1,000. There we go. Guys, get ready for the take profit. Look how fast. Come on. We are making $900 on the one position, or $250 on the other position, and we need a bit more time for the last 2 positions to get us there. $1,100. So it is just a matter of time to hit our take profits. You see. The market, it's turning green. The lights are switching on to green and getting ready. And then they are switching off. Come on. Come on. Let's put it there. There we go. There we go. $1,300. We are ready to hit take profit. Another one push. So the take profit, you know, guys, the reason. Yep. Here we go. We hit now take. Ching ching on oil. We hit take profit, guys. We hit take profit on oil. We closed 2 oil positions with 2,000. On the one position, we made $1,700 and we needed just 5 minutes. On the other one, we made $750. Then we hit take profit on Brent oil. Again, 2 positions on Brent oil. They just closed. Ching 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 ching. Yep. Ching ching. Another one. We made $905 on the one position and $655 on the other. And get ready, guys. That's just the beginning. Just the beginning. We will sell now again. We just sold and we sold again. So that's the next one. The next 2 are coming. We enter. We check if the market moves a bit more up. We enter again, guys. This is the strategy. This is the strategy. Wait until, okay, on oil, Brent oil, it started to move up again. Yep, Michael, sometimes it moves quite fast. We just need to have the patience for that. Okay, 5 minutes. It's not bad, right? Within 5 minutes. We made this money within 5 minutes, guys. Here we go. We sell again Brent oil. We just sold again Brent oil and oil. The market moved up. When the market moves up, we go again short because you see it is a short trend. The fundamentals give us a drop, price drop. So we go with the flow. We go with the flow. There is a saying on when you are trading, the trend is your friend until it ends. So we have to go with the trend now, because when you put technical analysis and fundamental analysis, when you put fundamental and technical at this moment together, it's clear it will drop. So now, guys, I see. I will short now again. It's the 3rd position which we open. I just opened again sell positions. We have 3 positions open and no take profit. So then we will put a take profit. So let me see. I'm putting now a take profit on oil. On oil, my take profit is at 51.580. Yeah, I can take it a bit lower. Okay. Okay, we put it at 51,560, our take profit. That's what we want. Then this is on oil. Let's put it for all our positions. 51,560. Oops, Allah. 60. Then so there we go. That woo, guys, look at this. Look at our Brent oil positions. Look at our Brent oil positions. We are making money on all our Brent oil positions. That's nice. Let's put the take profit on our Brent oil positions. Our Brent oil position is at 60.150 is our take profit. So for Brent oil is that. So 60.150, 60.150. Here we go. 60.150, 51.560 is for oil. Guys, if I'm talking too much or too fast, just let me know. Just let me know. And here again on Brent oil. $60.150. So, guys, on Brent oil, we are making right now. Okay. On oil, we are making $600 on the one position. 200 we are making on Brent oil on the one position at 400 on the other. And some we need still to pay off the spread. Hello, Darren. Hello, Darren from Canada. Nice to have you here. So, Malcolm is asking me, how do you know when to sell? Well, Malcolm, we had now the crude oil inventories. And during the crude oil inventories, we got the result that it was expected a drop of the inventories of 3 million barrels. But it was not, the actual result was not 3 million barrels. It was 1.2 million barrels. So it means that it will be more on the market on oil. We will have more oil on the market, which means the price will drop, because when you have more of something in the market, the price will drop. That's why I'm going for short. So if you say in which particular part I'm selling, it's very easy. You see, the market drops and then we have a pullback. When we have a pullback, I enter again a short position. This is what I do. When we have a pullback, I enter again a short position and I put my take profit slightly below the previous low. Like this candle went up to there. Let me make it bigger so I can explain it to you a bit clear. So you see this candle went down to here. It's a 5 minutes candle. I put my take profit slightly below that. So I know this price will be aimed again. This is my strategy behind, Malcolm. Very simple how I explain it, how I trade. There are also some more detailed information behind. I can always explain it more detailed as well when we have a one-to-one session over here. I have to do it very fast to be concentrated on the trades, but in general, this is the idea behind. So Michael has a question. Michael is asking, only one of my windows is showing the buy sell. How do I get it to show in both windows? You see over here we have an arrow. You see this arrow where my mouse is? If you click this, it's disappearing. Most probably on the one you have it. Let me here. It's most probably like that. When you click that, it disappears. When you click it on, it comes again. So you just need to click it on, Michael. Try it and let me know if it worked or not. So let's get back to the trading. You're welcome, Michael. So let's get back to trading. Let's get back to trading and get some money in. So on oil, we are making $540 on the one position. On Brent oil, we are making $300 on the one position, and we are getting ready to hit more. You see, the market is moving slowly down. You're welcome, Malcolm. I hope it's clear. When you come more often to the one-to-one session, you will understand what I'm talking about. You see, the market is dropping now slowly. This is a strategy you can't apply always. You can just apply when you have this kind of fundamental news. When you have this kind of fundamental news, you can apply this. Otherwise, you can't. So now there is a pullback right now, guys. We see a very clear pullback. Okay, if you still have some margin left, once the pullback is higher than your last trade, then this one in my case, let's make it bigger, so you can see it. Like if the pullback comes higher than this, then I have to enter again a position. But it didn't, so I leave it. And wait for my trade to develop and make some money. So I'm having all my positions at the same level. All my take profits are on the same level. In the meantime, I want to check also USA 100, because as you remember, we have also a USA 100 position running from the previous session. It's still okay. That's okay how it's going. Okay, here we go. It's also everything fine also here. Let's go back to Brent oil. Brent oil. So, guys, it is normal that now it will slow down a bit. This is a normal behavior. The news comes out, you enter, you make your first jumps, and then it moves slowly in your direction. And as I said, importance is, wait guys, we might increase again our exposure. Wait, because you see the pullback is higher than our last entry level. Let's go to the 1 minute chart to decide if we enter. No, we will not enter now. No, I will not enter now. I will wait a bit more, and then if I see that it still continues being higher than the entry level, I will enter. The buyers are back to the stage. Buyers are back to the stage. Buyers are back to the stage. Moves a bit more. Let me see. Yep. Get ready. We will go again short, but I will not go with 50 lots as I used to do. Now I'm going with 30 lots. I'm selling. I just sold again Brent oil, and I will sell also oil. Again, 30 lots. Just 30 lots. And we will put the same take profit for these trades as well, guys. We will put the same take profit also for these trades. Here we go. For Brent oil, we put 60.150. And for oil, we will put 51.560, guys. This is the next one. This is the next one, and it will be okay. So now we have to be a bit patient, and the market will reverse. The market will reverse. These are our 3 trades which we put, our 4 trades which we put, and We will wait now for the reversal. Since now the market, it's been some time that it opened, it will take a slightly more time than on our first trade that the market will reverse. But the reverse is clear. So let me see. It's okay. Let's go back also to USA 100 and USA 30. Okay, here we will get there as well. The buyers are back on the market. What's going on with gold? Gold, the buyers are okay all over the place. The buyers are on the market, guys. Back on the markets all over the place. Let's see. Let's define now where is the limit until it goes up and reverses back. So where will be the limit? This is what I'm expecting here. Yeah, the buyers are up. Okay, now the market is moving slightly against us, guys. It's moving slightly against us. But it's not a reversal yet. I get different signals on different time frames. Let's check on the bigger picture. Okay, guys. We are looking forward for a drop. This is the level where it will reverse. And the reason why I'm expecting here a reverse is crystal clear. We have over here the MA. We have the middle Bollinger Band on oil. So this is the reversal point. It will reverse here. This is the strong resistance level. So within the next half an hour, we will definitely hit our take profits. And if the market moves even more in the next half an hour, then we have to take actions. Over here, this is the level. 60.835 is on Brent oil, the level where I'm expecting the reversal. On oil, I'm expecting the reversal at 52.133. This is what I'm expecting, and we will get there. So in 1 hour, when we are back here on the live trading session, because as you know, in 1 hour, we will have another live trading session over here, then we will see some nice trades. Then we will see some nice take profits, which we will hit and make some ching. We closed already several trades on Brent oil and on oil. And I'm expecting here some movement as well. That's good. Come on. Brent oil, have it in mind, guys. My estimation for reversal is 60.835. On Brent oil, I'm expecting over there a reversal, and there I might enter again my last position, because I have already an exposure of 180 lots, and I'm going maximum 200 lots. So over there I might enter another 20 lots for a short position. And then we are back here. So guys, as you know, we are going to have another one session today in 1 hour, in which we will observe the US market, how the US market is moving on in the evening. We will be here and we will see also conclusion how our oil trades now developed in the afternoon after we closed. And we will be, maybe we will get also, let me see, okay, maybe we will get also the first results of the confidence vote from UK. We will see and we will react. We will see and we will react, and we will enjoy the day. So, guys, on Brent oil, I will open also a hedged position. Let me see. Okay, now. I have to decide based on my stochastic oscillator, and this is not giving yet a clear signal that this trend is an end. My stochastic oscillator. Okay, I will wait now a bit more for my stochastic oscillator to develop, and I will update you guys. So stay with me. In 1 hour, I will be back here. You don't need to log off or we will be here in 1 hour with the closure of the US market to see what the US market provided us for the day, and also to see what happens with our oil trades. We made already some nice profits now in the afternoon, and we are looking for more. We have 4 trades open on Brent oil and 4 trades open on oil. And we see how the market will move. Okay, so guys, I wish you all for now a nice afternoon until in 1 hour. In 1 hour, I will be back here. You will be back with me, and we will check together the market, and we will trade together. So in 1 hour we will be back here, guys. I'm waiting for you in 1 hour to check what happens in the afternoon markets, what happened with our trades which are still open, and what will happen with May. So see you in 1 hour, guys. Bye bye. Here I am. Hello, guys. Here I am. I see you couldn't hear me. Sorry for that. Now I am back. I am back. Let's see who is with us. Thank you for being with me here. Patrick, Adrian, Jenna. We have a lot of people and also a lot of new people. Adrian, Darren. Hello, Darren. Donald, nice to have you here. Ivana is also with us. Jeff, Jenna, Connie is with us. Kylie, Megan, Michael, nice. First time with us and very active, and that's what we want. Nema, Nina, Adolfo is with us as well. Patrick, we have two Patricks today. One, Philip, Rachel, hello Rachel, and Robert Johnson. So, guys, what I was telling you is, as you remember, we have oil and Brent oil positions still running, oil and Brent oil positions. And by the end of our session before, we were discussing if we should keep it. What should we do? Because the market moved slightly against us. We are short, as you know, with quite big exposure. And I said, okay, I see a reversal. We need a bit patience, but it's clear I'm expecting a reversal. And see there, we have this reversal over there. We have a nice reversal. And the market started to drop. The only thing which I'm considering right now is maybe I might enter another one position on oil and Brent oil with 20 lots, because as I know, as I told you many times, I have certain limits for each asset, and one of these is for gold. My maximum is 100 lot, and for oil and Brent oil my maximum is 200 lots. Currently we have already opened 180 lots, so I have again another 20 lots available maybe to open, but we will see. I need a bit more time to decide about it. On the other hand, we just opened USA 30 position. Here we go. I just opened a USA 30 position because I see a nice move up. I didn't put a take profit yet. I'm thinking about it. It was slightly above $300. And I have also a USA 100 position, which I just opened. A long USA 100 position. I entered at $6,860. Guys, we are expecting a lot of movements today. I'm expecting a lot of movements. Because, as you know, Theresa May, it's the May Day today. It's the May Day. Hello, Michael. Nice to have you here. Michael just joined us. So we have now two Patricks and two Michaels in our live trading room. It's nice. Michael has also... Hello, Robert. Robert joined us. Oh, yeah. Hello, Robert. So... Great. So Michael McNeil, I will reply to your question in a short while. Let me now write down our trades which we just opened and set our take profits. Have a fast look on oil and Brent oil and decide if we will open another position over there, and then I will reply your answer, and then I will check also. I will inform you also what are the possible outcomes of today's vote in UK. As you know, there is a important vote in UK, and we will see what's going on and how we can trade that, and if we can trade that, because there is no clear hour when it will be announced. They say between 6 and 8 o'clock GMT time. Let's see. But the last news which I was getting from UK was like Theresa May got in touch with a lot of her party members, and she got more than the needed 145, if I'm not mistaken, votes she wants. But it is a secret voting system, so they might say now, yes, there is a lot of potential, and then it changed. So we don't really know, but they are quite positive that Theresa May will make it. However, so let's write them down, right? I am long on USA 100. I just entered it. I entered at 6,860.96. And my take profit on this position will be at 6,875. Come on, get it. Get it. Here we go. Why it doesn't take it? Okay. So let me see. There we go. Yes. There we go. So this is my take profit on this position, 6,875, and we are aiming with this position a profit of $700. It's not much, but it's good for the afternoon. On Dow Jones, because I have also a position open on Dow Jones, I will put my take profit at 24,780. 780 is my take profit over here, and I'm aiming here. $700 is much too less. I will get it a bit higher. Yep, I got, this is the first, and then I'm again long on USA 30 on Dow Jones, and I entered at 24,765.13, and my take profit is at 24,797.79. Here we go. Two positions, two trades which are moving quite nice right now. Oil, as I said, the next one is to check again on our oil trade, and look at this. Look at oil, guys. It's moving as we want, right? Right. There we go. We are close to our entry levels. This is what you want, a bit more, and we have ching ching. Let's see. I was sure that it will reverse. You know me, I smell these moves. I smell these moves, and it will get there. I'm sure by the end of the trading session, we will get some money more into the pocket. So, what is next? Michael McNeil had a question on chat, and I promised him that I will answer it during the session. So let's go and answer. So Michael is asking me, does anyone know what the secondary window stochastic 533 is called and how to add it? It appeared on my first window, but not on my second window. I'm thinking it's called an indicator window. Yes, you are right. You are talking about this over here. This is an indicator. This is an indicator, Michael, as you said, and it's called stochastic oscillator. You will hear me very often shouting, my stochastic oscillator is giving me my confirmation. My stochastic oscillator is giving me my confirmation. It's a way how you can define reversals. So how you add that on your chart? Let me remove it. There we go. It's called stochastic oscillator. Delete. So I can show it to you. So here we go. Now there is no stochastic oscillator on the screen. You go to insert. You go to indicator. You go to customer and stochastic oscillator. You will get this. All this. You can change here the parameters as you want. I keep them in the initial default setting. Then you go on OK, and voila, here we have the indicator, and you will have this indicator. Let's say remove that over here. You're welcome, Michael. Let's say I'll give you a hint. Delete. Okay. Let's say now you insert over here on the Brent oil chart, the Italy 40 chart. You will not get the indicator, but if you insert something on this one where the indicator is already in, you will get it. Guys, I got just a notification. Ex-Trump lawyer Michael Cohen sentenced to 3 years in prison for hush money payments during the 2016 elections campaign. So let's see if we have to take something on our US indices, because we just entered. You're welcome, Michael. If it's not clear, just let me know. I will explain it once again. Well, we got this news from Trump. Let me digest it. Let me digest and think of if this news is anyhow influencing the US indices. No, not really. Not really. I don't need to get stressed about this news. It's not something which will really move the markets. It was an expected result, an expected outcome, so I'm not worried about it. It will not affect our indice trades. So next one, guys, next one. We put that, the other one. What you can do as well, Michael, is that you keep this as a template and use always as a template. Here we go. I will show you. Chart window here. This is a totally empty window without anything on top of it. I have some nice templates. You go to load template and you go, I called it Elif special, and come on, ta-ta. Here you have all the stochastic oscillator, all the indicators that I'm using. You got it here. So it's also a possibility to just create a template. So let's go back. I will close the Italy 40 position. Adam just arrived. Welcome, Adam, to our live trading session. We have 2 trades open on the US indices, and I'm thinking right now on USA 100 to open another one. Let me see. I need here my indicator. I need my indicator to define if I enter or not. Guys, on in USA 100, I want to enter again a position. Here we go. I just opened again a position on USA 100, guys. I went again long on USA 100. I have 2 positions open now on US 100. Now that the market moved down, it's time for me to enter again. And my take profit is the same as the previous one. 6,875. There we go. This is our next trade, and it will be okay. So let's go back to oil and Brent oil. Guys, today oil and Brent oil will bring us some money. Oil and Brent oil will bring us some money. Look at this picture, guys. La la. La la. That's nice. Guys, I have several news feeds and news providers, and all of them they are sending right now. Michael Cohen, ex-lawyer of Trump, ex-lawyer of Trump, jailed 3 years. One, I don't know, I got right now already 5 notifications about this. But it's very important that you are up to date about this stuff. So, and we are already with the next topic for tonight. Next topic for tonight is Theresa May. Theresa May is the next topic for tonight. Let me see. Okay. We are going to have the voting in approximately they are not sure. They are not sure if it will happen or not. If it will happen or not at 1 o'clock in 1 hour or not. They say it might start at 6 o'clock until 8 o'clock GMT time, which is in approximately 1 hour, and we are looking forward to see if we see any kind of movements on UK 100, and we will see and trade. Let's go also to US or UK 100 to trade some trades also here, and we will get there also on UK 100. Let's trade also something on USA 100. So you see USA 100 started to move a bit in our favor. That's good. So on UK 100, we could trade something also. You see, this is the typical movement here. It's very typical here. No clear direction. We are on the 5 minutes chart, okay? It's on a very strong range. Here we go. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. The market moves almost parallel to each other, you see? If it's down here, it will go up. If it's up here, it will drop. And this is happening only if there is any kind of pending issues on the market. So we are looking at UK 100, and when you look at UK 100, what you are looking for the May result and votes tonight. And when we see the voting, when we talk about the voting, we don't know the result and we don't know how it will affect the UK 100. That's why we have all the time this range. This is called a trading range. It can be very profitable if you notice that on time, and you enter here a sell position, exit the position here, and enter here again a long position. If you enter, exit, and so on. If you make these moves here, you can be quite profitable by trading like that and trading these kind of actions. Now, we are expecting in the next 1 hour the voting to start. So if we start this now, it wouldn't be very profitable, because either it will break here totally down in this direction. Let me put it here in this direction, or it would go totally up depending on the result. That's why currently I wouldn't trade under these circumstances on UK 100. Under these circumstances, I wouldn't. You see, look at this picture. It's a 5 minutes chart. And we put here the USA 100 also on the 5 minutes chart. You see, there is a huge difference. There is a huge difference. Here we see a movement. Let me put it here. From here to here. We see a channel. We see a kind of channel. Over here it will reverse and go again up. We don't see this downside movement. You see, we don't see the side movements. We see a movement upwards, right, guys? That's why if we see this kind of movements on an index, like this one here, on UK 100, and we know that in approximately 1 hour we will get some important news, then we keep away. We don't enter in such an environment. It's not the best thing to do right now. It's not the best thing to do right now. So let's go to Italy 40. I saw some nice movements on Italy 40, but it's too late already for that. For Italy 40, it's already too late to make a nice step here. The movements are quite narrow. Look at the candles. They are quite small. No much movement. So not very interesting right now. Let's go back to USA 30, because I see here the number is getting bigger. And when the number is getting bigger, it's time for me to go again a long position. Let's put a pending order. I want to put a pending order on USA 30. Everybody knows what a pending order is? Everybody knows what a pending order is? I'm going for a buy limit, which means I'm not opening now the position. I'm expecting the price still to drop to a certain level. And over there, I want that we open a long position, a buy position. I want to buy to this price over here. This is what I will. So I put the pending order at 24,710. 24,710 is my pending order. It's over here. And I'm expecting here. It might hit, it might not. Most probably it will hit. But I want this trade to move and give me, if it goes down, I want to enter at that level. I want to enter at this level. Why USA 100 is not moving? Now we will get what we want. So USA 30, USA 100. Let's go back to oil. Okay, on oil we started again to move up. So we have a small question. So Michael, don't know what a pending order is. I think I explained it. Is it clear or you want it a bit more detailed, Michael? As we said, a pending order. Okay, great. If something is not clear, as we said, use the chat function and I will explain it shortly, always fast and shortly to get it more clear for you. So I need a bit action, guys. I don't like these movements. I want a bit action. And USA 100, we start to move, but it's not as fast as I want my action. I want a bit stronger action. I want a bit more. Here we go, $200. We didn't close any positions now during the afternoon session. I want a bit more. Let's go back to oil and see if we can get anything here. Oh no. This is Brent oil, guys. And this is oil. You see this picture? No. I made a mistake. You see the picture? Check the picture, guys. You see it? We have here the drop. This is our entry level. Our entry level seems as a small resistance level. And it seems like the market bouncing back on this level. It seems like that the market is bouncing back on this level. Especially on oil, I still expect some movement down. Let's see. Maybe I will close two of the first positions. Let me see. And let's leave it a bit more to develop and then we decide. Yeah, there is still some move on. Gold we haven't really traded today. Gold we haven't traded, but there is not much. What's going on with USA 100? Let's go back to USA 100. I see some movement on USA 100. We are making $480 on the one position. Also some movement on USA 30 is observed. Our buy limit got triggered. You see here, this is our buy limit. The candle got very close to it. It didn't got triggered. We are making right now. Let's see, where is our take profit? How much we get with our take profit on this position? I will remove these levels here. Okay, with 710 dollars, we are happy. Come on. On the one position, we have both take profits at the same level, and it's been some time to give us such a move on USA 100. It took a bit more time. You see our pending order on USA 130 is still here. You see that it didn't got triggered yet. Adolfo, you like it a lot to trade. That's good. Or you like the live trading session. I like it more when there is more action. I don't see now an action. It's a bit flat right now. And I want a bit more action. So I see now slowly coming. That's good. I'm glad that you enjoy it, and believe me, we will make much more. We will make much more, and we will get also much more. So USA 100 is the only really profiting trade right now. We are making $400 on USA 100. USA 30 started to give a push. Our buy limit was not triggered, but I will not remove my buy limit. I will keep it for a while, at least for another 2 candles. I will leave it to see it later on. You see our buy limit is there. This is our trend line which we made. Let me remove it, not to disturb us during the trading. There we go. We are making $500 on USA 100. That's good. To $500 on USA 100. On USA 30 we are making, we still need a bit more money to pay off the spread, and then we will be there. On gold, gold is nice, guys. Gold is moving nicely. Is dropping nicely. Gold is dropping nicely. Some movements are going on. Maybe it is news from the lawyer of Trump. Might. No, it's not. No, it's not. USA 30, USA 100. Here, come on, USA 100. We need now a push and get our money in. We need a bit more money. We are making right now $500 on the one position, and the other position is still not into the money. It's not in the money yet. Go also check also our oil and Brent oil positions. Now oil and Brent oil reversed. Look, guys, oil and Brent oil reversed, and because they reversed, I will go long. I just opened now a long position because they reversed, and I'm hedging now. This is called a hedge. I have a short position and a long position. It requires the same margin. But I see on my stochastic oscillator, especially on the 5 minutes one, that this level over here, my entry level, is kind of a resistance level, and I have to, it's going there, it's crushing and moving against. So I'm aiming a small profit. I'm not aiming a big profit of this long position. I will put a take profit here at 60 point 60.760. This is my take profit. Oh, what kind of, wait a minute. I put a bullshit over here. No, this is not on oil. I put my take profit at 52.315, and on Brent oil it will be at 60.760. This is my take profit on this trade. I'm not aiming much. I just want from this move some money because I'm expecting the move to go up. I see somebody raised his hand. Ivana raised her hand. Ivana, if you would like to communicate with me, do not hesitate to type on chat. Thank you for being with us, but it's much easier for me to answer chat questions. So if you have any question, just type on chat and we will communicate. So we went long on oil and long on Brent oil. The movements of oil and Brent oil, they are very similar, guys. They are very similar. If you decide for one trade, you can go easily also for the other trade. If you see a direction of the trade. Yes, Michael, I'm not putting stop losses, but it's not always the case. Now that I'm still trading and I'm expecting something for tonight, I will leave them like that. Later on in the evening, after towards the closure of the European market and the US market, I'm checking once again what's happening on the markets and setting accordingly my stop losses. This is what I do, but currently I don't have stop losses. Yes, but later on when the market comes close to the closure, I'm putting a stop loss. I don't leave a position naked until the other day. No, this is not what I do. I close them. I put a stop loss later on according to the market conditions. So I put now on Brent oil and Brent oil. I put a long position and I entered at 52.173 and my take profit is at 52.315, but we didn't close the position yet and I don't like that. And this is oil. On oil, I am again short, again long, not short. And my take profit, I entered at 60.691 and my take profit is at 60.760. Guys, now the market moved again, but I see that this long position is a small hedged position to cover one of those positions. It's okay. We leave it to develop and we will see. Let's go back to gold and see if we can get any movement out of gold. You know, normally I'm trading gold quite strongly. I have also a trade from the morning, as you remember. On gold, I have to see. Well, the short position is clear on gold. I'm expecting some nice moves downwards, depending on the result of UK. Basically, everything is waiting for UK, as I can see over here. As I can see over here, everything is waiting for UK, guys. Everybody is waiting for Theresa May. And we will get there. Okay, so again, there's UK 100, no movements. Let's go to USA 100 and USA 30. It's not nice. It's not moving. And if something is not really moving, I'm not happy about it. I'm really not happy about it when it's not moving. You know, we have all these oil and Brent oil trades running, no big losses. The market is in our favor. You see that over here. Let's check it again here. Look at Brent oil. We have several positions open, and you see the market started to drop and will hit our 4 take profits here. It will. But it's not going on. The same, it's like when you check oil and Brent oil and oil, the screen is the same. Look at this. This is Brent oil, this is oil. We have the same pattern. We have the same trades, and still it's not going on. Then USA 30 and USA 100. Again, we have the same trades. Currently, we are making $300 on USA 100, but it's not enough for me. I want bit more, at least to close this trade a bit more. It's not that it's not moving, it is, but very slowly. It's not giving this bang, bam, 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 and we close the position and we are happy. It takes more time than we worried. Let me see on gold. Gold had also the whole day no movements, and now the last 1 hour it made some big push, but that's it. And then it got stuck. And also oil and Brent oil, they got stuck in this level here. However, sometimes the market is playing games. One of these days is here. You see it here. One of those days where we don't see a big movement. It's the silence before the big bang. However, guys, we made $22,000 today so far. It's a good number. We made some nice trades, some nice profits. We still have a lot of trades going on. We have trades on Brent oil, we have trades on oil, we have trades on USA 100, we have trades on USA 30, we have one trade on gold. So I'm expecting some money tomorrow morning. After this market close, I'm expecting some money. I hope you too. You see, like the losses on US oil is not big. We don't have big losses. Look at this $200. The biggest losses which we have is $1,100. It's not even the spread. It just needs a bit more time. Brent oil needs more time than I expected it. The same is for USA 100 and USA 30. It's not that we have big losses, but there is no movement. And this is making me sad. However, tomorrow is a big day, guys. Tomorrow is a big day. Tonight we will have definitely some volatility due to the news. Let me see if I can find something extra. Let me see if I can find anything extra about no. No, nothing further about the elections in UK. No more information. Looking forward for the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have some nice movements. As you know, we are expecting tomorrow the interest rate decision of the European Union, which will be a huge market moving event. And I will be trading here definitely with you guys. You see, like Brent oil started to move. We have one position which is making a slight profit. Oil started to move, but still not there where we want it. Nope. Okay. Guys, however, I wish you had a nice day so far. Nice trading day. We made something like $22,000 so far. Nice one. I'm expecting a bit more due to these trades over here. We don't have big losses. We don't have big profits on these trades which we have open right now. They still need a bit more time than I was expecting that they need. I hope you could enjoy your trading session here. Also from from the UK, we don't get any further information about Theresa May and the elections. So once I get any further information and I close any of my trades, I will tweet you. So follow us on Twitter to get the information immediately. Later on in approximately 1.5 hours. So Michael had a lot of fun today. I'm glad to hear that you enjoyed the session. Believe me, it wasn't the best. We have a lot of times much more fun and much more profits. So Rachel is asking for stop losses for USA 100 and USA 30. Let's put some stop losses for USA 100 and USA 30. So guys, on USA 100 and USA 30 we have to be a bit. Let me see. Now they started to move also now. Guys, now we started to get a bit more movement in, especially on USA 100. We are making now $550. Come on, guys. I want to close it. I'm closing now my USA 100 position. USA 100 position with $600. Here we go. I closed it with $600. It took me too long time this morning. I closed the one position with $600, and for the other one I will put in short while a stop loss. Rachel, hold on. Then we have a USA 100 position and we have a buy limit. I will delete my buy limit. So I just deleted my buy limit on USA 30. Let me see where we put, how big we put the take profit. The take profit is at $1,600. Currently, we are making $400. We are making $400 on USA 30. On USA 30, we are making now $600. $600. Guys, I will keep this position. I will keep this position. I will keep this position. I will get my take profit out of this position. Yep, I will keep this position. So for this position, my stop loss ratio will be at, let's put it from now to be on the safe side, will be at 24,699. It's slightly below 24,700. Because I believe at 24,700 it will face some difficulties, and that's why I put it slightly below. Currently we are making $700 on this position. Here we go, $900. Guys, we are making $900, and with $1,000 I will close this position. With $1,000 I might close it. I will not keep. Let me see. Come on, come on, come on, a bit more. No. No, I will leave it there. I will leave it there. That one will get. That one will get. So, Rachel, I put my stop loss, the USA 100 position I closed. And for the USA 30 position, my stop loss is at 24,699. And for the rest of the positions, I will enter a stop loss later on when the market is a bit calmed down towards closure. I will set my stop loss over there. So let me see. I see we have some. Okay. If you like, guys, to communicate with me, do not hesitate to use my chat function, guys. We have here a chat function. It was a nice pleasure having you here with me tonight. We still have a lot of positions open, and looking forward, I still have one USA 100 position open, which I totally forgot. Sorry, Rachel, I forgot this totally. I have another USA 100 position which I want to set also. Here, my stop loss. On this position, my stop loss is close to my lower Bollinger Band. To the lower Bollinger Band. The lower Bollinger Band is at 6,835. 6,835 is our take profit, our stop loss, Rachel, for USA 100. On USA 30 right now we are making, it didn't get there. So, guys, we enjoyed the day with you. I enjoyed it. It's not the best day. We have also, guys, we are making 1,600. Ching, ching, guys. We closed finally our USA 30 position with $1,633. Whew. One position which made me really nice. Which made me really nice and happy, and it will be nice. So tonight I'm expecting on USA 100 and on USA 30 a reversal. Guys, I'm expecting here a reversal. When we check the 1 hour chart, this is here the high of the day. You see here, this is the high of 6th of December and 7th of December. We are expecting here a reversal. So we still have some sell positions on USA 30. I'm expecting the market to reverse. And the maximum, those sell positions, these positions will go is at 6,900, higher than 6,900, it will not go. It will reverse at 6,900. So if you still have some stop losses, if you still have some sell positions, your stop loss should be at 6,900 for USA 100. For USA 30, we have a similar picture. Here, the high is it will stay below 25,000. When it goes up to 25,000, it will close all your sell positions. It will go up. 25,000 is the limit. So, hope you had fun. Rachel, hope I could answer your questions. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow morning again at 9 o'clock here at Trademy.com with me, myself, and Kyriakos. We will be here. You're welcome, guys. I enjoyed to be with you. We had much better days, although it was not a bad day, just a slow day. And everything is looking forward for the UK announcement. So keep your eyes open. Look what's happening in US, in Great Britain, and if it's possible, try to open some small trades at UK 100. So guys, have a nice evening. See you in a short while. Have a nice evening. Thank you, Michael. Bye bye. Thank you, Adam. Have a nice one. Bye bye.